Hey guys, I'm Sam and I lost a bunch of weight eating one keto meal a day for 28 days. In this series, you'll see my weight loss progress day by day, as well as each delicious recipe I made along the way.
Alright, it's day 5 and today we're going to make some keto fried chicken. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is grab a big old swede, which is similar to a turnip, and we're going to use it to make some low carb fries. So we're going to peel that bad boy and chop it up into little chippy shaped pieces. So we're not going to use the whole swede, we'll use about 120 grams and then the rest can go in the freezer for another day. Now what I should be doing with these next is parboiling them for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're soft and then thoroughly drying them out. But I forgot to do that in this case. But anyway, next we're going to get about 70 grams of cabbage all chopped up. I just got green cabbage today, but some purple cabbage in here would have been nice as well. Again, hindsight's a wonderful thing, but anyway, to the cabbage we're going to add about 10 grams of whole Greek yogurt, followed by a quarter tablespoon of whole egg mayo, and then finally a quarter teaspoon of dried dill. We'll just mix that all around thoroughly, and then that's pretty much our coleslaw done. And now we're going to deal with this chicken. So we've got about 400 grams of chicken wings, which I'm going to cut at the joints and get rid of the tips. And then we're going to make some egg wash. So I've got a chicken's egg here. I'm going to crack that open like an expert, and then I'm going to whisk that all up until it's nice and whisked. Add in 30 mils of almond milk, and then that's our egg wash ready to go. So we'll get that out of the way. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is transfer all those chicken pieces into this slightly larger bowl. Not sure why I didn't put them in here in the first place, but anyway. And then cover them with about 1/8 of a cup of coconut flour. Then I'm just going to get a lid, chuck it on there, and then give it a big old shake until all the pieces of chicken are nice and evenly coated. Just like that. Nice. Then, just for fun, all the chicken's going to go back into this container. Lots of double handling here, but hopefully it'll make sense in a second. So we'll get our big bowl and put in about half a cup of almond meal, followed by about 4 teaspoons of miscellaneous herbs and spices, the recipe for which will be down in the description. So we'll give that a bit of a mix around, and then we're going to start dipping our chicken pieces in the egg wash, making sure to let it drain thoroughly, and then give it a big old shake in the bowl. And there we go. We'll just repeat that for all the pieces of chicken until it's done, and then it's basically off to the deep fryer. So we're just going to deep fry these chicken wings now for about 7 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius until they're nice and golden brown. Once all the chicken's done, we're going to cook these swede fries. So because I haven't parboiled these, you're going to have to cook them for about 10 to 15 minutes, which isn't ideal because, as you can see, they're a little bit on the dark side, but that's all good. We're going to season them up with a quarter teaspoon each of garlic and herb salt and chicken salt. And that's pretty much it. Give them a shake and then serve them up with the chicken and coleslaw, and there you have it. Delicious keto fried chicken. So this meal's about 1800 calories, which is about 60% of my daily caloric burn at this point. Let's see how it tastes. As you can see, that chicken skin's come up nice and crispy, but definitely not dry. A lot of flavour in there. And oh, she's nice and juicy. Delicious. Look at that, perfectly cooked all the way through. So good. Now, because I haven't parboiled these swede fries, they're a little bit dark on the outside and still a little bit hard in the middle, but they still taste good. As does this coleslaw, which isn't as sweet as your regular fast food stuff, but still pretty good. Probably healthier too, but anyway, I'll catch you later. So on day 1, I weighed in at 96.5 kilos, and at nearly a week in, at day 5, I'm weighing in at 93.8, so doing well so far. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you're keen to see how much weight I lose after 28 days, then hit that subscribe button so you can catch each episode, including the next one, which is going to be a surprise, so hopefully I'll see you then.